Hi, I'm Curtis McGrath from Bytown Better Bathtubs and Showers. Today we're going to be walking through the practical bathroom safety tips that help Ottawa seniors prevent slips and falls without turning your space into something that feels clinical or overdone. Problem number one, stepping over the tub wall is one of the biggest fall risks that happen even before bathing starts. As balance and mobility change, lifting a leg over the high tub wall becomes harder and less stable, especially on a wet surface. This single movement is responsible for a large number of slips and falls. So how can we fix this? Walk-in tubs, walk-through tubs, and low threshold or barrier-free showers remove that high step entirely. By lowering or eliminating the entry point, seniors can enter and exit the bathing area more confidently and with less strain. Problem number two, slippery surfaces and lack of support. Once inside the tub or shower, smooth surfaces and limited places to hold on to can make even the simple movements feel risky. Standing up, sitting down, or shifting positions become more difficult when there's nothing solid to rely on. So how do we fix this? Non-slip tub and shower surfaces improve traction underfoot even when wet. Properly placed grab bars provide stable support exactly where it's needed, and built-in seating and handheld showers allow bathing to be done while seated, reducing fatigue on the chances of losing balance. Problem number three, wet floors outside the bathing area. Falls don't only happen in the tub or shower. Water on the tile floor, poor lighting, and rushing through the bathroom at night all increase the risk of slipping, especially with low visibility. So how do we fix this? Slip-resistant flooring helps reduce falls on wet surfaces. Improved lighting, including brighter fixtures or motion-activated night lights, make it easier to see when you're stepping. Simple habits like using non-slip mats and keeping the floors dry also make a noticeable difference. Problem number four, reaching, bending, and clutter. Everyday bathroom routines often involve bending, stretching, or reaching, which are all items that can throw you off your balance, increasing the chance of awkward movement and missteps. So how do we fix this? Keeping toiletries within easy reach, storing items at chest height, and maintaining clear walkways help reduce unnecessary strain. For some seniors, small additions like raised toilet seats or non-slip footwear are another layer that adds stability and comfort. Bathroom safety doesn't come down to one big renovation decision. It's about recognizing risks early and addressing them in a way that supports independence. Some homeowners start with better habits and small upgrades. Others plan with safety-focused renovations. Either approach is valid, and as long as the risks are understood and addressed before an incident happens. Bathroom design with safety in mind helps everyday routines feel steadier. That way, a space supports you instead of working against you. Thanks for watching, and if this video was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.